kommer mange lave broer, så pas på hovederne. There will be a lot of these slow bridges in this canal, so be careful with your heads. Her på jeres højre side kan I se Christian den 4. gamle bryghus tilbage fra 1600-tallet. Her de lavede øl dengang. Det havde faktisk det største tag i hele Nordeuropa, da det blev bygget. This is the old brewery where they made beer. Brewery from the 1600s by Christian IV. They actually had the biggest roof in all of Scandinavia back when it was built. This big roof was built because the military ships were located right behind it back then in a little canal. So they built a big roof on it to hide what was going on over there. That's where they made the beer. Christian IV liked beer very much. He was kind of an alcoholic himself, actually. And he founded a lot of the city as we know it. You will notice Christian IV, that name comes up a lot when you talk about the history of Copenhagen and Denmark. He is the longest reigning king of Denmark ever to live. Actually a very bad king. He got involved in many wars, built way too much stuff, so the whole country was kind of economically in ruins after his rule. But his buildings are still standing. Once again, watch out for your heads, pas på hovederne. I vil kunne se siden af Christiansborg Slot her på jeres højre side, det er Ridebanen-kasernen. I kan se her, det meste af det her slot brændte ned i 1794 år efter kongefamilien flyttede over til Amalienborg Slot, men faktisk overlevede marmorbroen her i 2 pavilloner på dens højre side. This is Christiansborg Castle on your right side, just the sides of it, where the king and queen used to live up until 1794 when a big fire happened. They moved over to the castle that we saw earlier. This was supposed to have been a very beautiful castle, built by Christian VI. And actually this bridge here and the 2 pavilions on its right side, these did not burn down. They are part of the original royal castle. This is Christian VI, you can see on it. På jeres venstre side kan I også se Nationalmuseet. I dag er det et historisk museum, men det her det plejer at være prinsens palæ. Det var her prinsen boede. On your left side you can see the National Museum. This used to function as the palace of the prince. This was his palace, so he didn't have to sleep with his parents over here in the big castle. He had his own palace right here. Oh. Today it's a historical museum.
Good.
Igen skal I alle sammen passe på hovederne. Sæt jer ned, pas på hovederne. Please everyone sit down. Watch out for your head.